to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to, well, literally welcome back. It's been a while, almost 2 weeks that I haven't been posting, but I have a good explanation why I haven't been posting in the last 2 weeks. So before anything, I do want to thank everybody for still watching my videos. After these 2 weeks I haven't been posting, I have been gaining a couple of subscribers, so I'm really happy for that. It's actually been making made my day. Well, it has made my days in the last couple of 2 weeks. But reason why I haven't been posting any videos was because 2 weeks ago, it was 2 weeks ago, my mother was really wasn't feeling wasn't feeling good at all. So we ended up taking her to the hospital because she looked, like, you guys, she looked really bad. Like, it was so bad. Like, she was coughing really bad, like so bad, like tears were coming out her eyes because she couldn't breathe and stuff, and it was really hard to watch that, honestly. So we ended up taking her to the hospital. Well, my sister ended up taking her to the hospital, and I stayed with my other two sisters, and they took her in, and they were obviously going to test her. They actually took blood from her. They were taking blood to see what was going on before they tested her for the virus. And as soon as they took blood, they said that the blood was indicating that it was the virus, but they weren't 100% sure, but it was indicating it. So they ended up going ahead and taking the test, and yes, you guys, it did came out positive. So that was the reason why I haven't been filming. So she ended up staying in the hospital. It was kind of hard to leave her because my mom obviously doesn't know too much English, and obviously we couldn't stay. They weren't allowing visitors. The only thing that we could have done was bring her stuff like food and, you know, clothes, and it was really hard seeing my mother through that, you know, and it really hurt me a lot. She stayed in the hospital for a couple of days, and then they ended up releasing her a weekend, and I ain't crying. I'm just trying to, you know, remember what happened, and they released her from the hospital. My sister ended up picking her up. My sisters did not stay with my mother. Well, obviously me and my sisters are okay, you know, we weren't affected. We didn't have the virus, thank God. But they ended up sending my mother home. My sisters ended up staying with me. But yes, a few days later, when she was home, we had to take turns on taking care of my mother. So my other sister, she ended up staying with my mother, and she took care of her nights, and I would come back in the mornings to take care of her. And while my other sister was working, I ended up, well, actually, funny thing is that week that she came back home, I only had 2 days of work because my vacation was going to start. So I ended up not even going to work those 2 days. I ended up talking to my manager because my mom was literally not able to do stuff on her own. She wasn't able to shower on her own. She wasn't able to walk. She wasn't able to do a lot of things that she was able to do before. They gave her medicine. We always, you know, like, obviously they gave her medicine, and so we had to schedule the medicine, make sure she took it this time, so I was staying, I literally I went over that whole week. I took care of my mom in the mornings. Always make sure she had breakfast, and then gave her medicine, and you know, just, you know, took care of her or whatever. But that was pretty much it. Now she's doing actually way better than what she was doing before. She's able now to do things on her own. She's able to get up, she's able to take her own shower, she's just able to do a lot more stuff than what she was able to do when she got home. But I thank God that she's doing way better, honestly, because the way she was looking the freaking first day we took her to the hospital, she was looking pretty bad. Like, it was so bad, and I was in tears, you know, because I never imagined my mom, especially because my mom is a very strong woman. Like, literally, like, she's a single parent, very strong woman, you know. And I love my mother, even though she gets on my nerves. But I mean, I love my mother, obviously. But I am really happy that she's doing way better. That's the reason why I haven't been filming, because, you know, I really wasn't in the mood to be filming, especially the way how my mother was doing, and also because I was taking care of her. But now that my mother is doing way better now, I'm able to film. I just wanted to let you guys know that why I haven't been filming. And I am really happy. Throughout those 2 weeks, I have been gaining subscribers, and I have been gaining subscribers, getting a lot of nice comments on my last videos I posted. And you guys, I'm reading your comments, and you know, it's really nice to hear that, especially when you were not in a good mood or whatever. But I just wanted to say, this is my return video. This is my my explanation on why I haven't been on here, but I am back. I will be posting the days I usually post, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, at 5 o'clock always. So yeah, you guys, I do want to thank you for still supporting me. I know you guys didn't know what was going on and why I haven't been filming, but in today's video you finally found out why I haven't been here. But now I am back. I am back on regular schedule, and we'll get these tutorials out as soon as possible, and other videos, other vlogs or whatever and stuff, like I said, because I did want to switch up my channel just a little bit. But I am finally back. I'm not going to lie to you guys, I have been missing being in front of the camera. Literally, me and my boyfriend also had stopped filming for our channel because he told me whenever I am ready we could start filming again. And you know, he's been really supportive with that whole situation, always asking how my mother has been and stuff. So you know, I really had the best supporter beside me this whole time through this shit that was going on. But I am really happy to be back. I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys are ready for videos, because I am back, and this time for real I am back, and I'll be on my schedule. I will be on my shit, you guys. So thank you to everybody that has still been supporting me, my new supporters, my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. So yeah, you guys, I will see you guys Wednesday with a makeup tutorial. Bye.